Another thing I also want to talk about is the magic system inside the world, because I want it to be kind of unique. So I thought that it would be a good idea that everything that is totally like a national thing to do is done by casting a sort of spell. And the main thing you cast through is warm mana that exists everywhere in the world. Um, but just like normal light, you can divide it into like light. You can divide that into colors. You can also divide raw mana into different elemental types. So like if you focus on one thing inside the raw mana, you can get fire mana out of it, and that is needed to cast certain spells. Um, but there is also other requirements for casting different kinds of spells. Like you need to say the incantation right. You need to do a certain movement right. You need the mental connection to where and how to guide the mana. So there's like still a lot of different things going on, but yeah, in that sense, every spell is kind of unique. They can also be modified, um, like forcing more mana into it or changing the shape of the spell. So it's still like adaptable in that kind of way.